यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ ग्रो के बारे में। और ग्रो ने Q3 रिजल्ट कॉइन्स नेट प्रॉफिट हुआ है। आप लोगों ने देखा जो ग्रो प्रॉफिट ड्रॉप्स 28% YoY to reach 547 crore due to one-off, but revenue up 25%. Groww Q3 financial year result. Groww parent Billionbrains Garage Ventures reported a 27.8% YoY drop in consolidated profit for Q3 financial year 2026, impacted by once time again. In the base quarter, revenue rose 24.8% YoY, and the platform continued to gain traction with a strong growth in active user, market share, customer assist, and trading activity across the segment. Billionbrains Garage Ventures, the parent company of the stock booking platform Groww, reported it is the financial result for the third quarter of financial year 2026 on Wednesday, posting a 27.8% YoY decline in its consolidated net profit at ₹546.93 crore versus ₹757.11 crore a year ago. The decline was due to a one-time gain of ₹315 crore net of tax book in Q3 last year. Including this, operating PAT rose 24% from ₹442 crore YoY, the company said. The reported net profit is attributable to the company's shareholder. Meanwhile, the company's revenue from operations witnessed a surge of 24.8% YoY at ₹1,216.07 crore, up from ₹974.53 crore reported in the third quarter of financial year 25. On a standalone basis, the company's profit after tax fell even more sharply, declining 36.7% YoY to ₹428.45 crore compared with ₹677.46 crore in the year-ago quarter. According to Groww investor presentation, the firm adjusted EBITDA came in at ₹741.80 crore for the Q3 financial year 2026 against ₹598.1 crore in the third quarter last year. Despite broader industry-wide growth over the last year, Groww total transaction user has jumped 25%, crossing the 2 crore customers mark in Q3 financial year 2026.